What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? Yes, we're still in my dream room because it's my dream room. But today is all about fashion. Well, for the most part. You know how these videos are. My last two Illy 4Ever fashion packs have arrived. We have Tiana and Snow White inspired fashion. These were $16.99 at shopdisney.com, but I've seen them for $14.99 at Target. Here is the Snow White inspired set on a Disney Illy 4Ever doll. It comes with Apple sunglasses. We get a blue sheer top. There are 2 layers of fabric in the center. Sheer ruffle sleeves. There's a ribbon bow at the neck, blue decals at the shoulders, and it velcros in the back. My skirt is a pretty snug fit. It also velcros in the back. It's a yellow corduroy with red stitching and faux apple leather buttons. It comes with apple sandals, a gold colored bracelet with a red painted bow. There's a gold colored plastic hair clip with a little apple on the end. The plastic does turn white when you bend it. There's a colorful deer purse. It does have a small opening on the top. There are 2 paper accessories. One is an invitation to a garden party, and the other is a small gift bag that opens and has tissue paper inside. The top is an okay fit on a Rainbow High doll. It does bunch a little at the waist because of the shorter torso. Here is the skirt on a Rainbow High doll. Overall, it's not a bad fit. It's a decent fit on an Integrity Toys doll. This is our curvy Ariel that we've placed on a made-to-move Barbie body, and we renamed her Stella. The top is a little tight and barely velcros in the back. However, I can't get the skirt up, so that's a no. Here's our doll Tanya on a classic Barbie body, and this outfit is a decent fit. The Tiana-inspired fashion pack is too adorable. In my opinion, of course. Here it is on an Illy 4Ever doll. We get a little hair accessory. It has little lily pads on it, sunglasses, plastic tassel earrings, a green top with a lily pad graphic that ties in the front, colorful shorts with faux stitched pockets, real belt loops, and a rope belt. We get a camera with painted details and a ribbon strap, sandals, a travel book, which is more like a pamphlet. It does have a printed image on the inside. We can see Tiana, and there are pictures in the back. And we also get a plastic hat. The top is a little large on a Rainbow High, but the shorts fit pretty good. It's a little large on an Integrity Toys doll. Here it is on Stella, our curvy. The shorts are a little snug, but I think you can totally get away with this one. Here it is on Tanya, our classic Barbie. It's a little loose, but I don't mind. And now, I do believe we have shown all of the Illy 4Ever items. We even experimented a little and created an Illy 4Ever made-to-move doll. We twisted her hair, swapped the feet so she could wear the shoes, and recently found out that the eyes can be switched because I kind of ruined hers. You see, what happened was I wanted to give her hair a little bit of a hot water rinse just on the top, but I thought if I just dunked her into the hot water, I could possibly damage the eyes. So I very carefully put just the hair in the water, not the face. But I guess I wasn't as careful as I thought because I still damaged the eyes and now they're all wrinkly. So I'm placing the doll in a plastic bag to protect it from the water. Place it into the hot water until the head softens. Then you can just kind of pop the eye out. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Here we go. Come on. There we go. It looks like it's just a little piece of paper behind the eye, so there's some opportunities for customizing there. Then just add the little donor eye. Then add the donor eye. We're gonna just try to push that back in there and not look all extra crazy. And good as new. But now I'm finding out that it's not just the hot water touching the eye, it could just be the heat itself. So customizers beware. The iris is paper. Clean the residue with alcohol, like rubbing alcohol, not with nail polish remover. It will melt it. Let's add a little white dot. Oh, I'm not good at this. There we go. Add a black dot. We're gonna let that dry, and while we wait, let's check out a little mail. One of my favorite Etsy shops sent me a gift. Elite Doll World. I'm kind of an Elite Doll World fan. Like, seriously, it's bad. So this really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Here we have a fuzzy ribbed sweater paired with black marble leggings and white leg warmers. It's a cute look for staying warm on a snowy night. Here's the same fabric as a hoodie dress with extra tall leg warmers. The hood is functional, and this solid hoodie dress can also fit a curvy. Here's a little Valentine's Day fashion. Here's a gnome hoodie with matching leggings. Let's not forget the guys. Here's a gnome hoodie for them as well, paired with black pants, allowing us to create a his and her look. We also have a long white cardigan made out of that same ribbed material. It pairs well with a t-shirt and leggings. I could see my doll sitting on the couch watching her favorite TV show, screaming at the TV when the plot doesn't go the way she wants. A cliffhanger? Are you kidding me? Who would do something so cruel? Here's another little hoodie dress. There's a love graphic on the front, and it's paired with high black socks. Cute and casual. These are a few items that I did buy. The brush ribbed hoodie dress in gray with high leg warmers. I also picked up this little cat in a cup shirt because it's super cute and I thought it would match my room. The paint in our little eye is dry, so let's flip it over. And wow, those are some huge pupils. But I think this is totally going to work. I'm going to use a little bit of my nail polish because it's super glittery to color around the outside of the pupil. Allow it to dry, but we can flip it over right quick to see what it looks like. And yeah, do you see that? We have a little bit of a glitter iris there. If I didn't make the pupil so large, it would be more obvious. I painted the other eye to match. This one has a few mistakes in it because this was the one that I learned not to use nail polish remover on. I make sure the doll's head is still warm, and then I put the eyes back in. And now my Illy doll has custom eyes. We do have a little defect in this one, but I'm loving the glitter. Very Disney Doorables with those glittery eyes. And now I can swap heads and not even worry about it. So I'm just gonna pop her eyes out and we're gonna paint them because I really don't want to deal with the paper. Not saying that my paint job is going to be perfect, but it will just give me a little peace of mind. I repaint the white where needed. I use my dotting tool to make the white dot. I use the larger side to make a black dot. Let's go with purple. I'm using the dotting tool to put the purple around the top. Then I'm going to use this mermaid color on the bottom. Once they're dry, let's put the eyes back in. And now we have these crazy glittery eyes. Of course, you don't have to use nail polish. Acrylic paint works as well. Now back to the fashion. I got this fashion pack at Walmart for $15. It comes with a doll. She has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. She also has a painted on bathing suit and comes wearing a plaid skirt with an elastic waistband and white sneakers. But we're gonna swap her out for one of our models. Since this doll comes with a painted on bathing suit, this fashion pack doesn't come with a lot of shirts. We only get this one. It does have long sleeves and the pattern continues all the way around. We get turquoise shorts with an elastic waistband, an animal print skirt with roses, wide leg banana pants with an elastic waistband. There's a lot of colors and different patterns. Well, there is a purple skirt with 2 layers and a pink sheer cover-up if you're more into solids. It does come with 2 dresses. Here's an orange floral dress. It has unhemmed sleeves, a high waistline, and it velcros in the back. And there is a blue and pink dress. This pack comes with a total of 4 pairs of shoes, sunglasses, a belt, a necklace, visor, and 2 bags. Can Illy 4Ever dolls fit Barbie fashion? I would think yes on most items since Barbie can fit theirs. The dresses fit easily. This shirt and short set works as well. However, the shorts are a little more snug than they are on a Barbie. This skirt fits pretty good as well. I've paired it with a black top from Elite Doll World. And here are the banana pants. Not too bad. Mattel's Disney Princess Ariel has fashion. We bought the single doll for $10 and some change, and she had a sculpted top. This version of Ariel comes with fabric fashion. Thanks to a tip from a friend, I got this at Target for $19.99. In this line, Ariel is a petite doll. This version of Ariel comes with some curls. There's a little bit of product in it, but the hair kind of feels a little different to me than the $10 Ariel. We get a purple top with ruffle straps, a mermaid tail skirt that is open at the bottom with tulle fins. It has an elastic waistband and purple tulle around the waist. And she comes with a purple starfish hair clip. It is possible to get this outfit on a Barbie. The top was a little bit of a challenge, but it is holding. Here it is on an Illy 4Ever doll. We have similar results with the top, and the skirt was okay until we got to the feet. Yeah, but if you're a mermaid, you don't need feet anyway, right? The second look is Ariel in a pink dress with puff sleeves, a little tulle at the waist, and a print at the bottom. She has a gold tiara and pink heels that are a little too big for our made-to-move Barbie. Here's the dress on a Barbie. It's not a great fit, but it works. And here it is on an Illy 4Ever doll. This could make a cute top. So today, we had fun with some fashion items and learned that we can customize Illy 4Ever eyes. Did you see that? They change colors. She has unicorn eyes. Might have found a new obsession. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!